We're here today with the amazing MAC Aura Raven XIP in South Africa. And we're here with Peter Dahlin from Martin Professional to tell us all about this amazing new product.
All about it, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, this is a replacement for the well-known MAC Quantum Wash. So where is the huge difference here? Well, this is IP rated. It gives you 27,000 lumens, and of course, it is a little big. And in order to make it as discreet as possible, we have decided to work with sort of like a blackface background. So that gives us multiple advantages. So when we're running like with these video dots, there's a very nice contrast. But the other thing, when the fixture is turned off, it's not a big white pancake on the wall. It's very discreet in its thing.
Tell us about the XIP technology, Peter.
Well, in the recent years, everything more or less have to be IP rated. You can use it outdoor. A lot started with IP65, where you have some big, bulky aluminium boxes. They were heavy, and the downside of it had to be vacuum sealed. So if you had a spot and you wanted to change a gobo, well, then you have to vacuum seal it afterwards. One of the other things, where you're working in environments with temperature changes, well, let's take Cape Town as an example, and it's hot and it's cold, then it's humid and then it's dry. That creates condensation inside the fixture. So even though it's like waterproof, well, you'll see there's water inside the fixture. So what we decided was we call it the XIP technology. So it's basically IP54 rating. So what we have on these fixtures, we have what we have to cool is of course a lead engine that needs a lot of cooling on that specific area. But there will still be some 5% airflow going into the fixture, and making sure that the humidity level is stable, so we will never see any condensation inside. And the other thing, well, we can work with good quality plastics instead of aluminium, so we can keep it compact and we can keep it fairly light.
Then this fixture, it's Martin P3 compatible. So tell us a little bit about the P3 and how that all works.
Well, the P3 technology was something we started, that's many years ago, starting with video panels and the Skeptrons, of which you have quite a lot here in South Africa, I must say. So this is a way, as you can see here, we're working with pixels. This could be run with P3. So instead of using tons of DMX channels, you could run video content over the fixture. So the special thing about this fixture, well, you have, as you see right now, you have all these small pixels, which are now run with macros. They could be run with P3, and then of course this is a wash light. So we do have some. Well, we're not going to turn it on here because it's going to blow everyone away. But with the main LEDs, well, we get up to 27,000 lumens of output.
Great. That's a great introduction to the MAC Aura Raven XIP from Martin Professional. If you'd like to see a demo, we have here in Johannesburg, or we can get it down to you around the country. And thank you for your time today. Thank you, Peter, for joining us.
Welcome.